Hi, I'm David Nunez. I'm an application engineer here at SOR Incorporated, and today I'll be talking to you about the 1100 series magnetic level indicator. As many of you know, the 1100 series magnetic level indicators is a highly configurable product, meaning that it has many options and customizations that can be done to it to make it a better fit for a customer's application. Today, what I'd like to start by doing is showing you some of what the standard options are so we can get a little bit more familiar with the magnetic level indicator. Today, I'd like to start by talking about the standard 1100 series features and benefits. Now, one thing that comes standard with every MLI is the indicator. SOR has three different types of indicators that are available. We have the 1110 flat glass indicator, we have the 1120 flat polycarbonate indicator, and we have the 1130 Vista indicator. Now, what sets the Vista apart from every other indicator in the industry is the indicator width and viewing angle. So before we launched the MLI, the most impactful customer response that we received back was that customers cared about the indicator. They wanted to be able to see the indicator better. They wanted to have a better viewing experience with the indicator, and so we incorporated that into our design. The indicator has a 200-degree viewing angle, so you can actually see the indicator while standing behind it. We have one of the most reliable and robust designs. We use a 2.5-inch Schedule 40 chamber. We have a special forged flat cap that we use especially with this 2.5-inch chamber design. And then we also, as always, have a 3/16 stainless steel tag. Now I'd like to talk to you about an application that we recently solved. Not too long ago, an engineering firm in Oklahoma actually came to SOR with a problem they wanted to solve. They had a slug catcher tank that they wanted to add a level indicator on, but they also wanted to incorporate a lot of other instrumentation into this single indicator because they didn't have a lot of process instrumentation ability or inserts into the tank. And so we were able to incorporate all of their desired measurements into a single level bridle and still give the indication on the tank. So one thing that we were able to do is, one, this bridle has special process connections, meaning it doesn't have the standard side-side process connection configuration. It has one off the top and then one coming out of the bottom. A second thing that we were able to do is add secondary taps for a differential pressure transmitter. And you can note that this pressure transmitter was not sold by SOR. So we're able to offer process connections for other instrumentations even if SOR isn't able to provide the instrumentation. A third thing that we were able to do is add an insulation blanket on this. The fourth thing we were able to do is add a custom leg to add a secondary level measurement, which is actually using the 1510 mechanical level switch, and we use that switch as a high level safety shutoff switch for the entire facility. And then we were also able to incorporate many different valves and ball valves to allow drain valves and all kinds of other access points into the bridle. The competitive advantage that SOR had in this instance is that we were able to take our standard MLI package and add all the necessary instrumentation and ancillary pieces of equipment to provide a total configured solution for the customer's unique application. As an application engineer here at SOR, I'm a dedicated resource to being able to help you solve your unique applications just like this one. For more information, please visit our website at sorinc.com or see your local service representative. Thanks for joining us today.